Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make wonton soup. This soup is a lot easier to make than you might think. We're going to start by making a little shrimp filling for our wontons. You'll need half a pound of shrimp that's cooked, and you want to make sure that the tails are removed. Put those into a food processor along with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro, a teaspoon of grated ginger, and about 2 cloves of crushed garlic. Then you'll need a teaspoon of soy sauce and a teaspoon of rice vinegar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, some red pepper flakes, and then I like to give it just a little squirt of sriracha. Now, of course, if you want these to be less spicy, you can always control the heat by adding in less or no sriracha sauce and less or no red pepper flakes. Then we're going to pop the lid on and give this a few pulses until the shrimp is chopped up into little bits. All right, that looks good. Now we're going to take the filling and put it into little wonton wrappers. You'll need 24 wonton wrappers. You can find them at your grocery store, but where they are actually depends on your grocery store. For mine, they're actually found in the produce section. Other times they're found in a different refrigerated food section. I like to lay out about 4 wonton wrappers and then place like a heaping teaspoon about right in the middle. I like to have enough that I can actually taste my filling. Next, you'll need a little bit of water. I just dip my fingers into a little bowl of water and then lightly rub the edges of my wonton wrapper. That will allow the wrapper to stick to itself, so then you can fold it over and it'll stick. And then with wontons, you want to fold up the sides and tip as well. When you're sealing them up, you want to make sure there's no air pockets left in there, otherwise they'll fall apart when cooking. Repeat this process with all of your remaining filling. You should be able to make about 24 wontons. Next, we're going to head on over to the stove. Pour 4 cups of chicken broth into a large saucepan and add in 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and bring it to a boil. Now, while that's coming to a boil, we have a little thickening agent that we're going to put together. You'll need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in a little bowl, and to that you'll add in a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar and whisk it together until it's smooth and combined. Then we're going to take this mixture and pour it directly into our boiling soup. Just pour that in, maybe give it a quick stir, and then you can start adding in all of your wontons. Let the wontons simmer in the soup for about 3 minutes. Last, I like to add in about a 1/4 cup of sliced green onions. Turn off the heat and you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.